Hi, welcome to another help video for Share Trade Tracker. Again, another new feature for Major Release version 3. In this video, I'm going to demo the new fields or the new features that are being brought in for dividends. Now, as part of the dividend capture process in previous versions of Share Trade Tracker, obviously you can find the dividend details automatically, and then you could also manually enter dividends. With the new version, Major Release version 3, we're now bringing in some additional fields that have been asked for or requested by customers. So the first fields are frank percentage and franking credit. So here, if a particular Australian stock, and this is really applicable only to Australian stocks, has a frank percentage and a franking credit, it'll be brought in when we download the details for the dividend, as well as the dividend income. The calculated quantity is set obviously from the period for which the stock is owned. And you can override that if it's incorrectly calculated. And then the total franking credits are now, I suppose, calculated from the franking credit and the calculated quantity along with the dividend income. With this new version as well, forms have been included for the adding of manual dividends or the inclusion of starting again in 5 seconds. Okay, so also, well no, we'll start again. We'll just stop that. Also included in this new version is the ability to add dividends via the forms, like the other functions, other worksheets in the workbook. So here I go ahead and click add, and I can specify the details for a dividend that may not have been found by the find dividend details function, and then add the dividend. I can also modify, update any dividends that are already included in the workbook, and I can delete dividends if they're incorrectly included and I no longer want to see them in my workbook. So hopefully those new features or new fields being brought across for dividends will be helpful in your portfolio analysis. And they're also incorporated, of course, into the dashboard as new totals. So we've got the dividend income, the dividend return, we've got the franking credits and the grossed up dividend return now calculated and displayed on the dashboard.